Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me. Alright. Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. This video right here is a collaboration between myself and Mel Simple Meals. You know, because listen, I got a video on how I made my 4-cheese macaroni and cheese, dish right there, put it in the oven, caramelized the top. That right there was hot. You know what I mean? So that I'm gonna put next to her videos. That'll be in the iCard up here somewhere. And so listen, it's gonna have a link to that, how I make my 4-cheese macaroni and cheese. And then listen, I'm gonna put another link in there to show you how I make my fried chicken. So with that being said, this is what we make. I'm getting ready to create waffled mac and cheese with chicken and another waffle on top that's made out of mac and cheese, with a little cheese on it, and then some of my homemade dressing on there. And listen, I'm getting ready to make myself something that looks like a sandwich. You know what I mean? Hey, listen, I promise you, it's gonna be epic. I hope it can stand up and at least be in the same ballpark as far as what Mel Simple Meals is creating. This is what I got. You know what I mean? Macaroni's the theme. Let's get it in. So just as a recap, you know what I mean? When I made my macaroni and cheese, I'm linking everything in the iCard. It's for my macaroni and cheese. It's for my fried chicken. It'll show you how I made those. Only difference is when I made it with, my macaroni and cheese, I didn't put it into the oven and I didn't caramelize it inside the oven. Reason being, because we used a waffle iron and we used that for that. Outside of that, you saw what we did. I'll show it to you once more. I hope you guys can see. Listen, made waffled macaroni and cheese, used it as if it was a bun, put it on top of a fried chicken thigh, you know, a little lettuce, but that's not lettuce. You can put lettuce if you want to. That's kale, you know what I mean? Made my own little special sauce, and then used a waffled macaroni and cheese on the bottom. I hope you guys like what I did. You know what I mean? Listen, you gotta go by and take a look at Mel's Simple Meals. Listen, it says Simple Meals, but I don't want to spoil it. Go check her video out. You know what I mean? You can tell when she puts a video together, she puts her heart and soul inside of it. You know what I mean? And it shows through her video. You know what I mean? Hey, so listen, everything will be in the iCard this way, wherever it is. It's gonna be there. Go by, check out her channel. Let her know I sent you over that way. You know, tell her I said hello. And matter of fact, when I stop this video, I'm getting ready to go check it out myself. Outside of that, I hope you guys like this collab. If you want to see more collabs or anything like this, this video here, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. If you're new, welcome. Hey, with that being said, I know that's a mouthful. I'm out, y'all. Peace.
That